Imagine a life where no insult, setback, or betrayal can shake your inner calm. No matter how tough things get, you stay calm and collected. You face every challenge with strength and remain unfazed by anything life throws at you. This is the true art of mastering your emotions. Too often, we let our emotions control us. We react in anger, say things we later regret, let pain turn into bitterness, and let failure push us into despair. But real strength isn't about letting our emotions lead us. It's about controlling them. When we let our feelings take over, we lose our peace, patience, and even our faith. Mastering your emotions isn't just a skill, it's a sign of true inner power. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that real strength isn't in overpowering others, but in controlling ourselves when anger rises. True power lies in self-discipline, not in force. While anyone can react impulsively, it takes true courage to stay calm, wise, and thoughtful when things get tough. But how do we develop this kind of emotional control? It starts with trusting Allah, understanding your feelings, and committing to self-discipline. In this message, we'll explore how to manage your emotions, avoid the dangers of uncontrolled anger, appreciate the rewards of patience, practice forgiveness, and keep calm even in the hardest times. If you're ready to take charge of your emotional well-being and live a life full of peace and strength, join me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Dean Explorers. The importance of emotional control. Life is full of ups and downs. One day you feel happy and empowered, and the next you may feel frustrated or sad. It's part of being human. We all experience pain, heartbreak, and loss. People may hurt you, and circumstances may test you, but you should never let your emotions control your life. If you let your feelings take over, you may end up saying or doing things you'll regret. Islam gives us clear guidance on managing our emotions. Allah, the most compassionate, understands how easily we can lose control. The Quran encourages us to be patient, manage our anger, and forgive those who wrong us. These are the qualities that define real strength. True power isn't about loud outbursts or physical might. It's about choosing peace over chaos, patience over anger, and faith over fear. When you choose to master your emotions, you invite Allah's love and blessings into your life. Each time you stay calm, instead of reacting impulsively, you are seen by Allah, and that is the greatest reward. Life will test you. People will betray you, disappoint you, or push you to your limits. But if you rise above their negativity and preserve your inner peace, you demonstrate true strength. Think of your emotions like an ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes rough. But remember, you are the captain of your ship. Don't let anger control you, and never let sadness or anxiety take away your peace. Allah is always by your side, helping you stay strong. A promise to yourself. Today, make a promise to yourself, no matter what life brings, you will not let it disturb your inner peace. Don't let your emotions control your actions. Take charge of your heart, mind, and spirit. Stay calm, stay strong, and stay connected to Allah, because when you control your emotions, you control your life. Nothing can shake you. The danger of anger. Anger, often fueled by shaitan, is one of the most dangerous emotions. It clouds your judgment, makes you say hurtful things, and leads to actions you may regret. Worse, anger pushes you away from Allah and draws you closer to shaitan. Shaitan feeds on anger, making you lose control and act impulsively. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us that anger is like a fire. If you feed it, it grows uncontrollably. So, when you feel anger rising, take a deep breath. Remind yourself, I am stronger than this. Seek refuge in Allah, and if needed, perform wudu to cool down. Speak less, because every word spoken in anger only makes things worse. Choose patience, choose wisdom, and choose Allah. Trust in Allah during life's trials. Remember, Allah is always with you, even during life's toughest moments. No hardship happens without His knowledge. Allah is constantly guiding, protecting, and testing your patience. The true test isn't the challenge itself, but how you react to it. Many people panic, asking, "Why me?" But a believer finds comfort, knowing that nothing happens without Allah's will. Every hardship has a hidden blessing, every setback has a purpose, and every pain can lead to greater wisdom. The Quran assures us that after every hardship, ease follows. The storm will pass, and how you navigate through it reveals your true strength. Choosing calm isn't about ignoring your emotions, it's about managing them wisely. Difficult moments are temporary, and the rewards of patience are eternal. When life seems to crumble, do these three things. First, turn to Allah, the ultimate source of peace. Pour out your heart and seek His comfort. Second, remind yourself that nothing in this world is permanent. Today's pain may become tomorrow's blessing. Third, focus on what you can control and leave the rest to Allah. Worry only drains your energy. Trust in Allah, do your best, and leave the rest to Him. Choosing calm is a choice. You can either panic or rise above with faith. When you manage your emotions, you take charge of your life. The power of forgiveness. Forgiveness is the key to inner peace. Holding on to anger is like carrying a heavy burden that steals your joy. Many people hold grudges, thinking it will right a wrong, but in reality, it only hurts them. Forgiveness isn't about excusing the wrong or rekindling a relationship. It's about freeing yourself from the chains of bitterness. When you forgive, you regain your peace and make room for healing. Just as Allah forgives us time and time again, we too must forgive others. Forgiveness is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of true strength. Trust in Allah. Let go of worry. Your mind is a powerful tool. It can either help you or hurt you. Overthinking leads to fear, doubt, and negativity. It drains your energy with unnecessary worry. Instead of letting stress take over, trust in Allah. When you trust Him, you free yourself from anxiety and realize that everything happens as part of His plan. You don't need all the answers, just do your best and leave the rest to Allah. Reflect on times when worry didn't help and choose to trust Allah, who is always in control. Trusting in Allah doesn't mean you do nothing. It means you do your part and leave the rest to Him. If something is meant for you, Allah will bring it into your life. If not, He will protect you from it. In every situation, you will find peace. So, don't let your thoughts control you. Train your mind to trust instead of stress, and you will discover a peace that nothing can disturb. The power of words. Your words are powerful. They can heal or hurt, build up or break down, inspire peace or create chaos. Before you speak, ask yourself, is it kind? Is it helpful? Is it necessary? Often, silence is the wisest choice. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised that a believer should either speak good or remain silent. Once words are spoken, they can't be taken back, so choose them carefully. Reflect on how many relationships have been ruined by careless words, and how a single kind word can heal a broken heart. Silence is not weakness, it's a shield against conflict. When tempted to argue or gossip, let silence be your answer. Not every situation needs a reaction. Protect your tongue like a treasure, speaking only words that promote peace. In summary, make a commitment to yourself. Speak only what is good, or choose silence. Guard your words, because they either bring you closer to Allah or push you further away. Life will challenge you, and emotions will rise, but true strength is found in staying composed. Stay calm when anger strikes. Be patient in tough times. Forgive for the sake of Allah, and trust that His plan is greater than any worry. Master your emotions, and you'll master your life. Nothing will be able to break your spirit. If you found this message inspiring, please like, comment, and subscribe to Dean Explorers. Let's continue this journey of growth and discovery together. May Allah bless you with peace, patience, and strength.